If you've forgotten your GoDaddy password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover it step by step, quickly and safely. This is a simple process, and it can save you a lot of frustration if you can't sign into your account. Whether you manage a website, a domain, or your hosting through GoDaddy, getting back into your account is the first step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the GoDaddy Help Center. You can do this by opening your browser and heading to GoDaddy Support or Help section. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in password reset. This will help you find the official recovery instructions faster. After that, look for the option that says Reset Your Password and open it. This is the page you want because it contains the official link to start the password recovery process. Inside that article or help page, you should see a link that takes you to the password reset page. Open that link and it will bring you to the form where you can begin recovering your account. On the reset page, GoDaddy will ask you to enter either your username or your customer ID. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check for any mistakes, because this helps GoDaddy identify the correct account. Once you enter that information, follow the on-screen instructions to continue the reset process. In most cases, GoDaddy will then guide you through verifying your identity and creating a new password. Choose a strong password that you can remember but that is also hard for others to guess. It's a good idea to store it safely in a password manager so you don't run into the same problem again. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover a forgotten password on GoDaddy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.